Welcome to this explainer. Look, we're just going to jump right into it today, because we are literally redefining what it means to work with a virtual assistant. If your idea of a VA is still, someone who just occasionally answers a customer service email or punches numbers into a spreadsheet, you are totally missing out on the most massive productivity shift of 2026. Today, we're digging into the ultimate playbook to absolutely double your output by building a modern, highly systematic partnership.
So, let me ask you, are you still trying to do it all? Seriously, so many business owners and executives just slam right into a wall of burnout because they're drowning in inbox chaos, endless scheduling conflicts, and just this mountain of repetitive admin work. You end the day completely exhausted, but without actually moving the needle on your high-value projects, right? Well, the fix to all this burnout really comes down to one powerful realization. Delegation isn't just a task, it's a strategy. Passing off your work requires a proper system. It is definitely not just shooting off an SOS text to an assistant when you're overwhelmed. It's about building a structured, predictable workflow where your business runs like a well-oiled machine, whether you're sitting at your desk or not.
To get us there, here is our quick roadmap for this explainer. We're going to cover the modern virtual assistant, the 2026 tech stack, taming that chaotic executive inbox, why time blocking is a must, and finally, how to formalize the partnership.
Okay, Part 1. The modern virtual assistant, from task taker to AI fluent operator.
Listen, in 2026, AI fluency, it's not just some nice-to-have bonus skill anymore. It is absolutely a core competency. An AI fluent VA doesn't just, know what ChatGPT is. They actually know how to prompt effectively, verify outputs, and seamlessly weave artificial intelligence into your daily business workflows. And by doing this, they literally multiply their efficiency, producing 3 to 5 times more output than an assistant who isn't leveraging these tools. It's huge.
Now, having said that, we do need to be realistic about where a standard VA's limits actually are. There's a vast, vast difference between a data entry VA and a professional data analyst. A VA is fantastic for data preparation, basic stats like calculating averages, and getting your spreadsheets organized. And they're incredibly cost-effective for that kind of stuff. But if you suddenly need machine learning, predictive modeling, or advanced Python and SQL, that is when you absolutely must hire a specialized data analyst. Knowing this difference up front saves you money and completely prevents mismatched expectations.
Moving right along to Section 2, the 2026 tech stack, or how we actually equip the modern VA.
All right, there are 3 unbelievably powerful AI tools driving this whole shift. First up is Claude by Anthropic. A really skilled VA uses Claude to draft standard operating procedures and summarize literally hours of dense industry research in seconds. Next is Fireflies.ai. Your VA can connect this directly to your Zoom calls to instantly transcribe meetings and, better yet, extract the actionable to-do lists for you. Finally, Canva AI, where your VA can generate both the social media imagery and the accompanying copy at the exact same time.
When you actually combine Claude, Fireflies, and Canva AI together, the return on investment is just off the charts. One single virtual assistant can effectively do the work of 3 completely separate specialists: a researcher, a transcriptionist, and a basic graphic designer. The leverage you get here is just phenomenal.
Now, you might be thinking, okay, but what if I'm on a really tight budget right now? Well, great news. You can actually run a highly effective VA operation on a $0 a month tech stack. Seriously, you can use Slack for your daily async communication, Google Meet for those quick check-ins, and Trello for visual task management. Notion is absolutely perfect for housing your company wikis. Loom, oh Loom, is a real game changer. A quick 3-minute screen recording from you totally replaces 30 minutes of typing out instructions. Clockify gives you trust-based time tracking without that creepy, invasive screenshot monitoring. And Zapier automates the data flow between all of them. $0, but total control.
Which brings us to Section 3, Taming the Executive Inbox, Frameworks for Chaos. And yeah, it is chaos, right?
To fix the inbox nightmare, your VA needs an actual processing system, not just, a habit of reading things and leaving them unread. We highly recommend David Allen's famous 3 Ds of email management. First up, do it. If an email takes less than 2 minutes to resolve, your VA just handles it right then and there. Boom, done. Second, delegate it. If you or your VA aren't the right people for it, pass it on and, this is crucial, follow up later. Third, defer it. Move it entirely out of the inbox to be handled at a specific scheduled time.
So how exactly do you defer things without losing them? Well, your VA should be triaging incoming mail into just 4 super simple folders: Action is for emails requiring your direct personal input. Read is for newsletters and internal updates you should probably see eventually. Waiting holds items you've delegated and need to follow up on. And Library is basically the archive. By doing this, you stop endlessly scrolling through a chaotic inbox and you finally start working through a clean, curated action list.
All right, Section 4, Time Blocking for VAs, and how we fix the multitasking myth.
Okay, brace yourselves for this number. 40%. According to Stanford University research, attempting to multitask and constantly switching contexts reduces productivity by up to 40%. Every single time your VA jumps from answering a quick email to designing a social post to checking a spreadsheet, their brain suffers from what's called attention residue. They are literally bleeding massive amounts of efficiency.
So, what's the fix? The cognitive antidote to all this reactive chaos is time blocking and task batching. When your VA groups similar tasks together, like, say, doing all the invoicing at once or answering emails only during set windows, they completely eliminate that mental startup and teardown time. This focused approach can boost productivity by an astounding 80%, and it completely eliminates the decision fatigue of always wondering, wait, what should I do next?
So, what does this actually look like in the real world? Let's walk through a perfect example of a time-blocked VA schedule. At 8 a.m., they do their planning and triage, that chaotic inbox we talked about. At 9 a.m., they dedicate a solid block purely to deep work for client A. After lunch, at 1 p.m., they shift entirely to client B. And finally, at 4 p.m., they batch all their own administrative tasks, time logging, daily reports, all at once. It's structured, it's predictable, and it is highly sustainable without burning them out. Okay, our final stop, Section 5, formalizing the partnership. This is your blueprint for success. Look, to protect both your business and your assistant, you've got to have some non-negotiables in your contract. Your agreement must explicitly define the scope of work so expectations are crystal clear. You need exact payment terms. A strict confidentiality and non-disclosure agreement, an NDA, is absolutely mandatory. You must outline termination clauses just so you know how to part ways professionally if you ever need to. And finally, intellectual property rights. You have to ensure that any work product created by the VA is exclusively owned by your business.
And hey, speaking of protection, here is an absolutely critical security rule you have to implement literally on day one. Never, ever share your passwords directly via email, text, or Slack. Just don't do it. Always use a password manager like 1Password, LastPass, or Bitwarden with a shared vault functionality, because proper delegation inherently means proper data protection. When a VA leaves, you simply revoke their vault access with one single click, keeping your whole business totally secure.
So as we wrap up this explainer today, I really want to leave you with one final provocative question. What could you accomplish if you got 30 hours back this week? By hiring an AI-fluent VA, giving them the right tech stack, organizing that inbox, enforcing time blocking, and formalizing the partnership, that time is yours to reclaim. Don't just do tasks. Build a strategy. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll see you next time.